In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A25 and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by opening Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Then click on this plus at the bottom left corner. And firstly, to add an audio file, select Files. Then you can click on Audio right away. Click on one of those apps and look for your file there, or select those two lines at the top left corner and pick one of those sources. Whatever you decided after finding your file, hold it and click on Select at the top right corner to attach it. If you wish to add a video one, click on Gallery instead of Files. And if your video is recent, scroll down and click on it right away. Then decide if you wish to send it as a Google Photos link or video, and select Just Once or Always at the bottom. You can also select folders. Look for your video over here, click on it, pick one of those options, and tap on Just Once or Always as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!